Can Dogecoin still reach a new all-time high, or are its best days over? Back in 2021, Dogecoin did something almost nobody thought was possible. A cryptocurrency that started as a joke suddenly became one of the biggest assets on the planet. Millions of people rushed to buy it. Elon Musk couldn't stop talking about it. Social media was filled with Dogecoin memes, and the price exploded by more than 16,000% in just a few months. At its peak, Dogecoin reached nearly 74 cents, turning early investors into millionaires and proving that even a meme coin could shake the entire financial market. Fast forward to today, and the story looks very different. Dogecoin is trading around just 7 cents, more than 90% below its all-time high. So the big question is this: can Dogecoin ever make history again and reach a new all-time high? Or were the glory days of Doge left behind in 2021? Let's break it all down. It's easy to forget that Dogecoin was never meant to be taken seriously. The crypto was created simply to make fun of the growing hype surrounding cryptocurrencies. For years, that's exactly how people viewed it. Then everything changed. In early 2021, Dogecoin suddenly caught fire. Retail investors began piling into the coin. TikTok campaigns encouraged people to buy Doge. Reddit communities pushed the meme coin higher. Then Elon Musk entered the picture. His tweets about Dogecoin repeatedly sent prices soaring as millions of investors rushed to join the rally. Within months, Dogecoin climbed more than 16,000%. On May 7, 2021, Doge reached its all-time high of $0.7376, with a market capitalization of over $90 billion. A cryptocurrency that started as a joke had become more valuable than many of the world's biggest companies. That moment completely changed how people viewed meme coins. Unfortunately, the excitement didn't last forever. As the crypto market entered a prolonged bear market, Dogecoin gave back almost all of its gains. The speculative hype faded. Interest rates climbed. Investors became more cautious. Capital flowed out of risky assets. Today, Dogecoin trades around 7 cents to 8 cents. That puts it over 90% below its all-time high. For many investors, it raises an obvious question. Was 2021 a once-in-a-lifetime event? Or is Dogecoin simply waiting for another opportunity? So far, 2026 has been another difficult year for Dogecoin holders. The coin has lost roughly 35% of its value since the beginning of the year. January actually started with some optimism. Doge traded near 10 cents and climbed to almost $0.128 during the first week of the year. It looked like another rally might be beginning, but the momentum quickly disappeared. Large holders began taking profits. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged, reducing investors' appetite for risky assets. By the end of March, Dogecoin had dropped back into the 0.077 to 0.080 range. The second quarter wasn't much better. Doge spent April and May moving sideways while retail interest remained relatively quiet. Then June brought another wave of selling. Dogecoin fell below the important 0.08 support level and eventually touched lows near $0.063. The weakness continued into early July when Doge slipped to around $0.062. However, the market has started showing signs of life again. As of July 21st, Dogecoin has recovered to around $0.073 after gaining more than 2% over the past day. The rebound is encouraging, but Doge still has a very long road ahead if it hopes to revisit its previous record. One of the biggest misconceptions about Dogecoin is that development stopped after 2021. In reality, the network has become much more active. Developers have continued improving Dogecoin while the foundation works on expanding its real-world use cases. One of the biggest projects currently in development is the Such app. The goal is to create a simple self-custodial wallet that makes using Dogecoin much easier for everyday users. Developers are also working on technology that could eventually allow Dogecoin to scale more efficiently through Layer 2 solutions. There are also discussions around integrating zero-knowledge technology to improve transaction efficiency. Another proposal attracting significant attention focuses on Dogecoin's inflation. Unlike Bitcoin, Dogecoin has no maximum supply. Around 5.26 billion new Doge enter circulation every year. Some developers have proposed reducing that annual issuance dramatically. If approved, it could reduce selling pressure and improve the long-term supply outlook. Beyond development, adoption continues growing. Companies like MoonPay have expanded Dogecoin payment support, while speculation surrounding Elon Musk's X platform regularly fuels excitement whenever Doge payments are mentioned. These developments may not produce overnight price explosions, but they gradually give Dogecoin more utility than it had during its original meme coin era. Can Dogecoin reach a new all-time high again? The answer is yes, but it won't happen for the same reasons it did in 2021. Back then, Dogecoin benefited from perfect conditions. Interest rates were low, retail investors flooded the market, government stimulus checks boosted liquidity. Elon Musk tweets regularly sent prices soaring. Today's market is much more mature. There are now thousands of meme coins competing for investor attention. Dogecoin is no longer the only option. To reach a new all-time high above $0.7376, Dogecoin would likely need its market capitalization to climb above $100 billion once again. Because the circulating supply has continued growing since 2021, the hurdle is even higher than it was before. Several major catalysts could help make that possible. Continued development of the Dogecoin ecosystem, broader merchant adoption, potential integration into Elon Musk's X platform, a future Bitcoin bull market that attracts fresh retail investors back into crypto. If several of those events happen together, Dogecoin could once again become one of the biggest winners of the next crypto cycle. Are Dogecoin's best days behind it? This is where opinions begin to differ. Some investors believe Dogecoin has already had its moment. The meme coin market is far more crowded than it was 5 years ago. Capital is spread across dozens of newer projects, making it harder for one coin to dominate the spotlight. Others argue that Dogecoin still has advantages that most meme coins don't. It remains one of the most recognized cryptocurrencies in the world. It has deep liquidity. It's listed on virtually every major exchange. It has a passionate community that has stayed active through multiple market cycles. Perhaps most importantly, it still has one of the most influential supporters in Elon Musk. If another major crypto bull market arrives and Dogecoin gains meaningful utility alongside renewed investor excitement, reaching a new all-time high is certainly possible. But unlike 2021, it will probably require much more than internet memes alone. So what do you think? Can Dogecoin surprise the market once again and set a brand new all-time high? Or do you believe the legendary rally of 2021 will never be repeated? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest crypto analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.